We're currently on page 8, and this is exercise number 1. Exercise number 1 had a common set of directions. That's right here. For exercises 1 through 3, determine if y is proportional to x and justify your answer. So we know that our ratios, if we choose to write them, would be written as y over x. And this table shows the relationship of snowfall in inches in 5 counties, written to the amount of time in hours of a recent storm. So looking at what's going on here, the numbers are fairly easy to work with. I'm looking at 2 hours and 10 inches of snowfall, which I notice has a multiplier of 5. And then when I move on to the next one, I see that 6 has a multiplier of 2 to get to 12. 8 has a multiplier of 2 to get to 16. 2.5, I might have to use a calculator for this one, but it does have a multiplier of 2, and so does 7 to get to 14. So if we're determining whether the y was proportional to the x, at this point we would have to say no, the inches, or the snowfall, aren't proportional to the hours, or the time, because there isn't a common multiplier. Now, if you chose to write ratios, you certainly could do that. You'd have like 10 over 2 equals 5, and 12 over 6 equals 2, and 16 over 8 equals 2, 5 over 2.5 equals 2, 14 over 7 equals 2. If you chose to do the problem that way, that is another method, and you would just say then that it had a common unit rate, which was the 2 inches per hour. So either one of those methods is fine.